Noble9 is the first dedicated platform that makes SLOs incredibly powerful and easy to use. It takes metrics from your existing monitoring tools and allows you to define goals for those metrics in the form of SLOs. The flexibility that Noble9 offers allows you to configure SLOs exactly how you like, adapting to a variety of real-world situations. We're going to configure an SLO for the latency of a web application in this video. We will create this new SLO as part of the front page service. In step 2, we choose a data source and a metric query to retrieve the SLI data. There are two types of metrics that Noble9 can evaluate: the threshold metric, which brings back a single value, and a ratio metric, which compares good versus bad results by way of two queries. Since we are creating a latency SLO, we're going to add a threshold metric. Next, let's define a time window. We have the option of rolling or calendar aligned. For the purpose of this demo, I'll pick a 1-hour rolling window. As you can see, there's flexibility to configure it to meet your real-world use cases. If we want our SLO measurement window to align with a business metric that is measured on a monthly or quarterly basis, such as revenue or cost accounting or contractual obligation, we have the option to choose a calendar align window. Noble9 stores the data for over a year, which means you can compare previous year's events to this year in your reports. Next, we'll define our error budget calculations and objectives. There are options to calculate the error budget based on occurrences or time. In this example, we'll choose occurrences. We'll set a target of 3 nines. We'll name the experience OK. And the value will be less than 2,000 milliseconds. Next, we name it and assign an alert to it. We'll name it front page latency. And we will assign the PagerDuty SRE alert policy to it. And that's it. We've created a new SLO exactly how we wanted it to be. It will show up in the grid and give us the visibility of reliability burn down, error budget remaining, and burn rate. You can use this data to have better discussions and make better business decisions. For example, if you've burned all of your error budget, you might decide to postpone a release that risks unplanned downtime, or to reallocate resources towards stability efforts. Or if you find that you consistently have error budget remaining, you might decide to take more risk, for example, by increasing your release frequency or reducing this resource allocation of your services to save cost.